can you find the areas of polygons? Think about this question during the lesson. Denise is building a patio in her backyard as shown in the diagram. What is the area of the patio? How can you use shapes you know to help you find the area? How can you divide the polygon into familiar shapes? You can draw two vertical lines to decompose the polygon into two identical triangles and a rectangle. Here is one way to solve the problem. Decompose the polygon into a rectangle and two identical triangles. What are the base and height of each triangle? What are the length and width of the rectangle? The base and height of the triangles are 6 meters and 2 meters. The length and width of the rectangle are 6 meters and 4 meters. Now find the area of each shape. What is the total area of the polygon?
Select your answer.
Add the areas. 6 plus 6 plus 24 equals 36. The area of the patio is 36 square meters. Here is another way. Recombine the shapes to make a square. Then find the area of the square. The area of the patio is 36 square meters. Now you know how you can find the areas of polygons.
Emilio found the area of the patio by composing the shapes as shown at the right. How is Emilio's strategy different?
The difference between Emilio and the example is that he cut his in different spaces. So instead of the rectangles going the other direction, now they're going down this way. So we have this one big one in the middle and these two little ones on the side. And in both ways you will get the same area, and we can find that area together. So we know that area is equal to base times height. So we will use this formula for each of the rectangles. So this will be rectangle 1, rectangle 2, and rectangle 3. So we have 3 times 2, because base times height, that's our base, that's our height. 3 times 2 is 6. Then we have 4 times 6 is 24. And then we have 2 times 3 as 6. So we have the area of each one, and then we add them up. And 6 and 6 is 12. And 24 and 12 is 36. So we get the same area, even though Emilio cut his in a different direction. We still have the same area.
The Robinsons are planning to resurface the path that surrounds their garden, as shown. What is the area of the path?
Step 1, find the total area of the garden and the path. So here's the garden and here's the path. So for the pathway, we have 8 meters times 7 and 25 hundredths meters. Get 58 meters squared. Step 2, find the area of the garden. So we use the 4.5 meters and the 3 meters. Multiply that together, we get 13 and 5/10 meters squared. Next, we do take both areas and subtract them from each other because we only want the area of the pathway, so we have to subtract the area of the garden. So we're going to subtract the 58 and 13 and 5/10, and we get 44 and 5/10. So the area of the path is 44 and 5/10 meters squared.
For a new stage at a school is sketched on a coordinate plane. Each square represents 1 square meter. A flooring expert recommends bamboo flooring for the stage floor. How much bamboo flooring in square meters does the school need? To find the amount of bamboo flooring, you need to find the area of the polygon. Why do you need to find the area of the polygon to find the amount of bamboo flooring needed? The area tells you the amount of space covered by the stage. How can you find the area of the polygon? You can decompose the polygon into known shapes, find their areas, and then add the areas together. Step 1. Decompose the polygon. Find any missing needed dimensions. The polygon is decomposed into which shapes? How do you find the dimensions of the shapes? The polygon is decomposed into 2 rectangles and a triangle. To find the dimensions of the shapes, count the squares between vertices. Step 2. Find the area of each part. What is the area of the polygon? Add the areas. 10 plus 24 plus 55 equals 89. The school needs 89 square meters of bamboo flooring for the stage. Now you know how you can find the area of a polygon on the coordinate plane.
Find the area of the shaded region in square units.